Today we're planting up the back fence border of a brand new garden in Coventry. It's a blank canvas, bare soil, bare fencing, and the neighbours can see straight in. We're going to fix all of that with a modern, low-maintenance scheme that screens the garden and looks good all year round. We're starting with the backbone of the whole border, Irish juniper. These columnar evergreens reach 4 metres tall with just half a metre spread. They're the privacy screen, planted in a row along the full 8-metre fence line. Pencil thin, year-round, and completely unfussy. Next, golden oats. This is the showstopper of the middle row. At 2.5 metres, enormous golden plumes float on wiry stems through June and July. It bridges the height gap between the junipers and everything else, and it's semi-evergreen, so it earns its place all year. Alongside that, pheasant grass. Softer arching mounds at about 1 metre tall, with silvery purple plumes from June right through to September. That's the longest flowering season of any grass in the border. The fine texture echoes the junipers, while the arching form gives lovely contrast. Now, stinking hellebore. Don't let the name put you off. This is the winter hero. Dark evergreen foliage all year. Then nodding pale green flowers with purple edges from January through April. It fills the biggest seasonal gap in the border and needs absolutely no attention. Adding to that, Mahonia Meteor. This plugs the autumn gap perfectly, with bright yellow flowers from August through November. The bronze-green foliage is bold and sculptural, a natural fit for a modern border. It reaches about 1.25 metres, so it sits confidently in the middle row. At the front, forever purple coral bells. Deep, glossy purple mounds, just 30 centimetres tall. The foliage colour is year-round, so even when nothing's flowering, the front of the border still has real presence. Mauve-pink flowers appear through summer as a bonus. And finally, bronze sedge. Warm copper-bronze evergreen foliage that glows against all the cool blues and silvers in the rest of the border. At 1 metre tall, with fine arching texture, it adds variety alongside the bolder plants. A quiet performer that ties the whole scheme together. And that completes our new build privacy border. We've gone from a bare fence to a year-round screen with interest from January through November. 7 plants, 3 layers, and the only maintenance is a quick trim of the grasses in spring.